looks like in final result. So all I did, guys, was go and I did glue this unit down overnight and let it curate overnight. Now in the morning when I woke up, it was perfect, guys. I didn't have to do much to it. The only thing I did with this unit, guys, is add some clip-in extensions in the back just to kind of make it a little bit more full. This unit is 20 inches long. It's 150% density and it is a full lace wig. So I did show you guys how I went in the back and just added the clip-ins on. Very simple, guys. If you do have units that are a little bit thin, you could either sew in tracks into the back or you can actually just use clip-ins and call it a day. I do that all the time and I've been doing that for years. If I do have a wig that I love and it's not thick enough, I will go in and either sew tracks in the back or just do clip-ins. So this one actually worked out pretty well. I think the clip-in system on this one worked well. It is a full lace wig, so you kind of really have to attach the clip-ins on top of the hair instead of digging into the cap because you don't want to ruin the wig. But other than that, I do like it. So I kind of just did some nice soft curls in this unit. The hair is silky straight, so it's super fine. So I'm really someone that loves yaki hair, so this one for me was a little bit different. But one thing I love about this hair is the hairline. It's pre-plucked, so I really didn't do that much to it. It came like super perfect, guys. So that's one thing about Myfirstwigs. Their hairline, their wig construction, their cap construction is always legit. So that never fails with this company. They always do it the right way. I just went in and did like some layers in the front. I did use my blade and just cut a little bit. Oh, I'm missing an earring. So I did cut a little bit of a layer in the front just to give my face a little bit more of a frame. And I think it looks really nice since I've done that. I usually don't do that with my units, but for this one, I wanted to kind of make some more body into the wig. So adding like a little bit of a layer in the front definitely took it to another level, so I do like it more. So Myfirstwigs was kind enough. They sent me some cool styling kits. Now if you go on their website, they do have these items available. So if you want to do like heatless curls, you can get these kind of like flexi rod style heatless curl rods. Now I'm someone that did not know how to use this, so therefore I kind of like was like, let me just wait till I actually practice this before I attempt it. So I'm definitely going to use these in another review for you guys. Probably another Myfirstwigs review that I have coming up, so you guys will see that soon. But they're like these cute little bendy rods. I opted just to use my curling iron just because it's something that it's easier for me, and not a lot of people have these items. A lot of people do have curling irons at home, so in order to achieve a look like this, you can just use a regular curling iron. They also sent me a little kind of like hairpin set. It came with like hair ties. It came with these really sturdy rubber bands along with bobby pins and hairpins. So I thought that was really nice. I'm always running around looking for stuff like that, so it's cool to come in a compact set like this, so when you're looking for it, you got it. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing anything from this website. Do not forget to check out my other videos on my channel. Hit that notification button and subscribe. Now guys, most importantly, do not forget to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!